Hi, my name is Kamaldeep Sharma. I am father of Vande Sharma. I am from Gurgaon and we are here for Camp Future today. Basically, we came to this university to see how this university is all about. We have been hearing a lot about this university. I have few of my colleagues, kids have passed away from this university and they have grown up well in industry. So that's the reason I am here. And overall experience of this university till now is very good. University is very clean and it sounds to be very safe. One thing which I learned in today's session is this university is more focusing on practical knowledge giving to kids, which is very important. So how they are engaging with students right from first semester to 8th semester, so that the collaboration between students and teachers and seniors, that is something which is very unique, which is not found in most of the colleges, and is something which is very unique here. So and the course which I am preferring for my son is data and AI. Data and AI because it is upcoming technology, it is very hot skill which is required in industry. When I noticed and when I found on internet also and when I did some research also, so this university is one of the first universities who has introduced data and AI course. So that's the reason I am preferring this university for my son. And as of now, the experience is very good. I hope it will be better in future also. Thanks.